In this video, we'll install the front uprights and attach the tie rods. Start by bottoming out the 3/4 jam nuts on the large rod ends. You'll find this hardware in the L23G or L23R baggies. Thread one of the ends all the way into the lower control arm, and then back it out 2 full turns. Thread another end all the way into the upper control arm and then back it out 4 full turns. Snug up the jam nuts with a 1 1/8 wrench. If you are running the billet rod end mounts, your hardware is already installed on the upright. Just remove the nut and a safety washer to install the uprights. Attach the lower end of the upright using a bolt, 2 safety washers, and a nylock nut from the L23G bag. Double check that the steering arm is inside the upright and aim toward the rear of the car. Attach the upper end of the upright the same as the lower. Use 15/16 tools to torque the hardware to 100 foot-pounds. Install the 032i Goblin front tie rod end from your kit. Turn it 10 full turns onto the tie rod, then run the jam nut all the way out. Push the rod end into the arm and install the nylock nut. Let us know if your tie rod ends did not come with nylock nuts. Use a 17mm socket to torque the nut to 45 foot-pounds. Repeat the installation steps to install the upright on the other side of the car.